Hi guys! Mabuhay! It's me, your girl, InDaynaMo, and welcome back to my Taglish channel! Hello guys! How are you all on either side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, we are going for a walk dito sa Chinatown, dito sa South Australia, sa Adelaide guys, or the Moonta Street Chinatown, dito sa Adelaide. And you hear me right, we are still in Adelaide, South Australia guys, for a few days. So today, Jax and I, we are heading to Chinatown. So guys, are you ready for a night walking tour for today's video? So what are we waiting for? Happy watching!
Chinatown Grote Street. So dito ako dito kaliwa. Supermarket. But it's 10 o'clock, so we're going to look inside later on and get pineapple cake. Dumpling King is where we might end up anyway.
Dumpling King. It's the king.
I am August. We might have to go there for good time's sake.
I thought this is Chinatown. Why is all Churches?
Chinatown is pretty much everything. It's not just Chinese, it's usually made up of everything. Like that's Japanese, there's Sakura. Japan, Hungry Panda. So usually Chinatown is the main street, but then there's stuff that all branches off the side of it as well. So this is closed now, but I think there's probably food and stuff anyway inside there. Gongcha Kaliwa.
Gongcha Kaliwa?
Yeah, so all the restaurants all in one small area. There's Coco.
Coco?
Travel agent. So it must be stuff closed. I'm guessing that's probably like a food court, like a hawker centre and stuff during the day. Probably like Singapore. But I guess now it's closed. She might have kariwa.
Star dumplings.
Yes.
What's that?
That looks popular too. It's an old burger, it's not very church. Kariwa, out there.
No, this is Japanese.
India.
Hot pot.
Hey, out there.
My God.
Okay, so it's not very long.
Titanic is there.
Okay, so if you got a big gate. Oh, pepper lunch.
Pepper lunch.
So you got all the Chinese wine. You got the gate there. So yeah, you'll probably find it in all that's probably all related as well. So I think actually Grand Vats is gelatissimo, so it's Italian. But you have
Mr. Man.
yeah, it looks like it goes both sides. So usually there's offshoots in it as well. So that's a very big menu. Or very customary duck in the window. That's how you know it's authentic. Where's the kid doing homework?
It's
That's
authentic.
There's the homework kid.
Authentic. Krispy Kreme.
Oh, Pepper Lunch is closed. So there's no shop there. Oh, Indie Bukas.
What's your flavor?
That's so it looks like there is stuff here, but I think maybe it's closed at night time. It might only be during the day. So there's stuff here as well. I think it's maybe Friday, Saturday night. I think a lot of this is open, like a market's open maybe. So I guess aside from market, it looks like there's a lot of sort of food and stuff anyway.
This is the end.
Well, that's fancy dumplings.
You want there?
Yeah, you can try there. Or you can go back to make it authentic Chinatown, but
Oh yeah, why not?
yeah,
So
that
we're
looks like,
in-
is that bingsu? Crossover? Oh,
Yeah, that's a big soup.
Oh, there's another Ajisen ramen.
I guess.
So it looks like a bit of mixture, because obviously that's Japanese. And then bingsu is Korean.
That's a
Oh,
big
yeah,
soup.
that is bingsu. That's the one I saw online. You can make me eat bingsu tonight, eh?
Yeah, I want big
What if you do, you just have to have a small, you know, just like a small dumpling and not go overboard.
Yeah. Bulaga.
Bulaga.
So guys, this is our tea for tonight. So what's this? Yeah, I think this
Chicken
is...
and prawn steamed dumpling.
Yeah. So what's yours?
Well, some of this, spring rolls, shallot pancake. So we have our foods and then we'll go for more food after this. Hiya.
So we are here guys in
Fancy dumpling.
Fancy Dumpling.
Oh. Very fancy. Fancy dumpling. Hiya. Yup.
Okay, Jack, so this is the vegetable spring roll.
COVID. Vegetable spring roll, sweet chili sauce, and we have here the fried shallot pancake, which we had a lot when we were in Taiwan. So, yes, this is our dinner, and then we'll go for dessert and maybe a bubble tea or a yogurt to take home later on. So, ayan, Indi Bulaga, paalam.
Yes, very.
So, we are at meat dessert. Ayan.
So this one, guys.
Yes, curry top here. It's a dessert place. So they do bingsu, so shaved milk, shaved ice, desserts, yeah, a whole bunch of everything. I've got a menu here, but there's a lot of things. So we've got the mango one, and we're just waiting for it to be ready.
Yeah, correct.
Ayan. So, bingo.
So what we are having
I
there?
think it's like mango shaved ice. So obviously you got mango, not sure what it is, I don't know if it's like coco de nata. Obviously you got shaved ice there, it looks like ice cream on top and more sort of mango syrup. So we didn't have a super huge dinner, and I would say that, yeah, we'll see how much we can eat of this. I'm not sure being shaved ice maybe won't be as filling as the shaved milk is, but yes, we'll see how we go. Ayan, don't get this in Mount Gambier. gaming.
So why people inside?
Down, kaliwa. I think last time your pasta was closed. Kaliwa. So this is just the backside of the market now. Oh, Tana. Fancy dumplings and meat dessert. And chicken bun. Oh, there's another one. Oh, I forget what you call them.
Wawa.
Yes, very wawa.
Oh, it is
Wawa
small.
dito, mahal.
Oh, it's a big day. Like a room only.
Oh, you might not be able to record inside because they're doing gambling. I love a good wawa. Oh, si mama. Ang sabi ng jeep, after we get the yogurt and we take back, just don't get the rice one.
Okay guys, so we are going to get a yogurt.
Oh.
Yogurt. So, that's it guys. That's our Chinatown, Adelaide, South Australia guys. Yes, nandito tayo sa Adelaide and nakita nyo ang the Moonta Street Chinatown guys. Located in Central Market Flowers. So, katabi siya ng Central Market dito sa Adelaide. Nakita nyo kanina, nakita nyo yung gate. There's a gate in the entry and there's a gate at the end. Nakita niya, nag-walk tayo doon straight. Nakita niya left and right. They have a stores. They have a stores. They have a grocery store there. They have a restaurant there. They have a milk tea there. Pero nga, yung iba close na. Kasi medyo gabi na tayo na napadpad doon. So, ayun na nga guys. Nakita nyo, Chinatown. May mga Chinatown din sa iba't ibang states dito sa Australia. Yung sa Melbourne, meron Chinatown doon sa Melbourne CBD, may Chinatown doon. Meron din na pagpasok mo, they have same entrance, which is the red gate, and they have a lion there. So, nakita nyo rin kanina, there's a restaurant doon. May mga king dumplings, may mga ducks, may mga noodles. Siyempre, kapag Chinatown, yun yung mga famous na foods talaga. So, ayun na nga guys. Nag-dinner kami ni Jax doon sa likod ng Chinatown. Kasi nga yung lane na yon, there's a variety of restaurants there that you can choose. You can choose what you want. They have a Vietnamese there. They have a Chinese there. So, ayun na nga guys. So, libre-libre. It's a free admission fee. No entry doon pag pumasok ka sa Chinatown. Kasi nga, people go there buy something and then sa kabila nun, sa gilid nun, there's a market. So, ayun na nga guys. That's the end of our Chinatown, Adelaide, South Australia. For today's video, our night walking tour. I hope you had fun and you learned something today. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for supporting my videos. And mega love shout out to each wonderful, beautiful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Please like if you did enjoy my video for today. And please do subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to hit the bell button for you to get notified on my next video. And please comment down below if you like this video po. And see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys. Be good, you take care, be safe, and mwah. Ciao lang!